how to fix repost option not available on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure the app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app to its latest version in order to be able to use all the latest features. Next, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to Instagram and tap on it, and then tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application and not delete your documents and data. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go ahead and completely delete the app. So go to your home screen and hold on the Instagram application and then tap on the remove app option and then remove the app, and further go ahead and open App Store and reinstall the app from your App Store and launch the app, and by now you should be able to see the repost option. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix repost option not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.